Hello everyone, my name is Eka Dinamawati from the Development Economic Study Program. Here I would like to explain about the journal. Journal number 1 is Income Inequality and Social Trust. The background, social trust, the belief that others will act fairly and reciprocate is very important for economics and social interaction. Because the study have consistently show a relationship between high level of income inequality and low level of trust within and between communities. However, the causal mechanism and the role of individual relative positive ranking in the income distribution versus contextual inequality. Income distribution in the environment are still debates. This study aims to provide new causal and correlational evidence to support the effect of exposure to inequality and relative positive on social trust. Next, research objective to examine the causal effect of income inequality on social trust. To separate the effect of inequality itself from the effect of individual relative economic position, to provide evidence to appoints correlation survey data and control online experiment, to focus on a young sample as their social trust greatly influence important decisions early in adulthood. The next is methodology. This study used two complementary methods to examine the relationship between income inequality and social trust. Number 1, correlation study identifies pattern in real-world data. Number 2, online experiment test causal relationship by manipulating variable. The next is key findings from the correlation survey. High relative economic position is associated with high social trust. Regional inequality, Guinea, does not significantly predict trust after controlling for individual position. From the experiment, relative position effect, participants who felt were in high relative position report high social trust 0.24 standard deviation. Inequality effect exposed to high inequality directly lower social trust 0.24 to 0.41 standard deviation. These results are consistent and causal, showing that inequality damage trust through two channels, the direct effect of income distribution and the indirect effect through change in perceptual relative position. The next is conclusion. Income inequality directly erodes social trust regardless of individual position. Higher relative position incurs social trust. Implication in a context of rising inequality, the erosion of social trust can become a serious problem for social cohesion and economic function. This study contributes by separating the effects of inequality and relative position casually, using a combined method, survey and experiment, with consistent confidence measure, focus on a young population that is relevant to policy. Then the second journal, fundamental determinant of exchange rate expectation. The background, the exchange rate disconnect puzzle. The weak relationship between actual exchange rate and macroeconomic fundamental is a classic problem in international economic. The role of expectation, exchange rate, as asset price, is strongly influenced by market expectation. However, little is known about information of exchange rate expectation and whatever professional forecast use coherence of fundamental models. Contribution of the study, testing whatever expectation of macro fundamental such GDP growth and inflation influence expectation of exchange rate change. the analysis for advanced economics and development economics, discussing between the behavior of optimist and pessimist forecast, analyzing the influence of fundamental expectation on forecast error. Next, research objective to test whether macroeconomics fundamental, GDP, inflation, interest rates, current account balance, determinant exchange rate expectation, to analyze whether is relationship different across time horizontal 3-6 months, to investigate difference in the expectation formation process between optimist and pessimist forecast, evaluate whether fundamental expectation also explain forecast error. The next is a methodology, data source, consensus survey data, variable dependent, expectation of exchange rate change, independent, short-term interest rate, 3 months, GDP growth, inflation, current account balance relative to GDP. Data transformation, GDP, inflation, and current accounts expectation are facts, even forecast for the current year and the next year. Converts to fixed horizon forecast method. Analysis methodnya panel regression with basic model, estimator fixed effect with instrumental variable, to overcome endogeneity. Instrumennya one period lag of all regression. Next, difference between optimist and pessimist forecast. Pessimist forecast who predict a strong depression pay more attention to fundamental expectation. Optimist forecast who predict oppression or mild depression are less influenced by fundamental expectation. This can be seen from the higher and more significant coefficient in the regression for the pessimist group. The next is a conclusion. Expectation regard macro fundamental, especially GDP and inflation, significant influence expectation of exchange rate change, especially for the long-term horizon. 12 months. The merchants of expectation formation differs between optimist and pessimist forecast, with the pessimist group relying more on fundamental expectation. Better forecast performance over the long horizon can be explained in part by greater attention to fundamental expectation. Policy impression, understanding how expectations are formed is important for central banks and policy makers, especially in the context of the monetary policy dilemma. Impossible trainee. Terima kasih. Bye bye.